the last video I made in my YouTube channel here, this is it. This is the video. But in this video, I try to pass information across to my viewers. If anyone have information based on how to make money online, the secret of making money online that's working for individual, that you guys should please drop it down for me in the comment box, so that many other people will also benefit from the information. So I got this message. From one of my fans here. So I know about this, so that's what actually prompts me to make this video. So I know about this site, this app, or let me see app or site that actually working for this guy, and this guy have been making money from this. I know it's true, very, very real. So I want to show you now, guys, how you can also do the same thing and make money from it. All right, so without further ado, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to help me, to support me, and to help yourself, is to hit the subscribe button and give me like on this video. Giving me like on this video will actually help this video to rank well. And drop your comment in your comment box. You have to help me. If you truly love me and you appreciate my contents, please drop these keywords in the comment box. Either you drop all or any of these keywords. Just check the screen, you'll see those keywords there. Drop it. That is what we need for this video to rank well. Please drop it for me. If you cannot thank me for this, if you cannot even appreciate my work on this and many other things I'm creating, just drop this one for me. You see it in the comment box, on the screen here now. Drop it for me in the comment box. So guys, let's go. So this is the home page of the site. Now you can scroll down and learn more about this, how you register and complete your profile, take part in surveys on interesting topics, have fun and get paid for your opinion. As simple as that. Your rewards. So you can earn money with interesting surveys. We protect your privacy 100%. We will always tell you how long a survey will take approximately before you begin. Register now and get paid for answering surveys online. On average, between $0.5 and $3 is credited per completed survey. Register. So I will click on register button here now, guys. So to register now and get paid for answering surveys online. Please enter your email address, repeat email, put your password, repeat password, put your nickname, then date of birth, So let me quickly fill up this now. So you can see now look at how I fill this thing now. Put password, email, password, the nickname, I put this, date of birth, I put one random one there, gender, I put male there, then postcode. Should be in case you see something like this, that's what I want to show you. Postcode, if you don't know your postcode, just go to Google. So come to Google like this and type your location, where you want to get the postal code. So I'll put something random here just to train you guys. Let me say Abuja postal code. So you can specify the place in Abuja so that they will know where in Abuja in specific. But because I want to do this one just to train you, let me say Garki now. All right, now see postcode.com.ng. This should give me correct one. So irrespective of the country where you're watching me from, you can go to Google and type and search for it. You will get it. So now let me just copy random one from here. Oh, I made a mistake. The zip code does not exist in your country. So I search for postal code instead of a zip code. So I want to go and quickly do the correction now. So here now I type Abuja zip code. Where Abuja zip code will say. So let me copy this one. Let's see. What's wrong? It's the same thing. The zip code does not exist in your country. What's going on here? This is postal code. It's still the same. Anyway, let me just put it there. Either zip code or postal code. Let me just put it there and let's see what will happen. All right. Occupation. I put this one there. Educational level. Okay, education level. So I have to put this one. Please enter the code. That is this code now. That is ZYD57D. All right. Then I will click here now. I agree to the terms and conditions and have read the privacy policy. So I'll click on register and let's see. Oh, great. Registration sent. Registration sent. One last click and you are good to go. We have just sent you an email with your access data. So let me go and check my email now to confirm. So look at the email sent to me now. I'll click on confirm registration now. So look at the next thing now. Welcome to Mobro. You will get okay. Great. Hi, this is the name I put there, my username. Hi, demo testing. In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. So look at it now. Country is Nigeria. English, that's my language. Currency is USD. Your current balance is, so look at at my balance. If you collect 6.25 USD, you will be able to pay out. So that is the limit given me now before I can able to withdraw from here. So invite your friends to Mobrook now and receive 0.63 USD for every active member invited by you. So that is why I put the link there in the comment section. I pin in there, so you can use the link to connect and sign up here. If you connect through my link, I will get this bonus here. So the site is a Mobrook. Anyway, I'll put the link there. Just check the comment box. You'll see the link there now. That will take you here straight. So how are we going to make money from here now? You can see start a new survey here, and you still see another start here. So let's click from here now. This one is from 0.2 to $3. So let me click this one. So the next thing to do is to take part in this survey and make money from this. Like you have been informed from here now, this is the amount you can make from 0.2 to 3.5 USD. So you can click here, and you can also click here to start survey. Do survey, make money from it, and you will see your balance here. Then you have to keep trying accumulate money to get to this 6.25 USD at least 6.25 USD. So before you're able to withdraw. So here now you can check your profile from here. See, you can click on start, then my profile, my balance. You can check your balance. Let me click my balance here. So this is where you will see your earning from here. And you can invite your friend. Click here to invite friend, and through your invitation link now you will also make money. So I think I've shown you the generate an invitation link now. Click here to generate. So what else do I need to show you about this? Then click on start. So guys, you have seen it all on how to register for this, and you can also make money from this. What I want for you is to make it succeed and be happy. Drop it in the comment box, give it a try, and I wish you all the best. Then please, if you know any other ways people can make money online, please drop it in the comment box for me so that I can make a video around it for many people to also benefit from it. Please, I beg you, if you have interest in mini export business, please go and watch this video. If you have interest in making money online, go and watch this video. If you have interest in CPA marketing, go and watch this video. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Bye for now.